Hey friends! Vehicles are a source of transportation. Let's learn their names together. But first subscribe! The vehicle song is starting now. A car goes vroom.
Car goes zoom on the road so wide, rolling fast with wheels that glide. 4-round wheels help it ride. Bus goes up and down the town, picking kids all around. Many seats, big and brown. Bike goes ring, ring, ring. Pedal fast, what fun it brings. 2 big wheels make it swing. Truck goes boom, 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 carrying toys from room to room. Strong big body, lots of room. Train goes choo choo track, running fast on rails so black. Long cars all linked at back. Airplane goes whooshing sky so high, flying clouds way up high. Big wide wings help it fly. Helicopter chop sound, spinning blades go round and round, up and down without the ground. Boat goes splashing water blue, sailing slow with me and you. Floats on water, not on land. Ship goes sail the ocean wide. Waves go swish on every side, big and strong with lots of pride. Submarine goes deep down. Bubbles all around. Underwater it is found. Fire truck goes wee-woo bright, rushing fast both day and night. Long tall ladder helps fight fire right. Police car goes neon all fast, helping people driving past. Flashing lights on top our cast. Ambulance goes wee-woo loud, helping sick ones kind and proud. White and clean, it helps the crowd. Tractor rolls on muddy ground, pulling farms all around. Big back wheels help it pound. Rocket goes 3, 2, 1 fly, zooming up into the sky. Fire tail helps it fly high. Taxi goes beep go, taking people to and fro. Rooftop sign helps people know. Jeep goes bump on roads so rough, climbing hills that look so tough. High big wheels are strong and tough. Pickup truck goes vroom vroom vroom, carrying loads with lots of room. Open back helps carry boom. Scooters along the street, rolling fast on tiny feet. Small and light makes it neat. Motorbike goes we're so fast, zooms right by in a flash. 2 wheels only, slim and fast. Van goes roll along the way, taking bags and kids each day. Big square body helps it stay. Roller goes rumble, roll, flatten roads, nice and whole. Big round drum is its goal. Garbage truck goes lift and dump. Bins go up with thud and thump, keeps the town clean with the buzz. Speedboat goes fast so fast. Water sprays as it goes past. Slim sharp shape makes it fast. Canoe goes, glides so slow on the lake. It gently goes, long and thin to paddle. So ferry goes, horn honk low. Cars and people to and fro. Big flat deck helps loads go. Cargo ship goes slow and wide, boxes stacked on every side, carries goods across the tide. Small plane goes buzzing air, flying low from here to there. Tiny wings but still it's fair. Space shuttle goes roar then glide, up to space and back it rides. Wings help land it safe inside. Rescue helicopter, chop high, looking down from in the sky. Rope and hook help people fly.
We learned all these vehicles today. Which one is your favorite? Don't forget to subscribe.